everybody, and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So today we are going to be reviewing the Freetress Lite wig, and I am going to be wearing the CMBerry color for you. Let me show you the back of the card. It does come in different colors. So if you are interested in getting more information about this wig, I want you to stay tuned and we'll be back shortly. So here's the wig out of the pack. This is the CMBerry color. She does have bangs, and when I flip her inside out, there are no combs available. However, in the back of the wig, you do have your adjustable band so that you can customize your fit. Stick with me, I'll be back wearing this particular beauty for you. We're almost there. So I'm back wearing the Lite wig by Freetress, and here she is. Let me come up so you can see the color. I'm wearing the CMBerry, and I have to wear different colors because I do realize that not everyone who's viewing the videos that I make like the colors that I choose, so I have to do a broad range of colors. So hopefully I'm kind of mixing in a lot of colors that people would be interested in. Let me do a 360 so that you can see all sides of the wig. There you have it. I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier, but this particular wig can hold up to 400 degrees worth of heat, so you can use your flat iron, ladies, to make it do what it do. I do like it. The bangs are not as thick, but again, this is summer. I don't know if you would want the real thick bangs in the front anyway. So just wanted to let you know that very lightweight, very breathable. The hair is just, it moves with you. It has movement, it's not stiff at all. I simply put it on. I forgot to mention that this is a part of their Shake and Go wig. They make wigs for different occasions, and Freetress makes it easy for you just to put the wig on and go. That's the whole convenience of it all. So I recommend it. Look for the information in the description box below. As always, the different colors will be there, the price point, all of that good information, where I bought it, is right there in the description box. Thank you all for watching the videos, and we'll be presenting another one real soon as next week. See you soon. Bye.